Welcome back to Natural Cures Daily. If you're looking to burn belly fat while you sleep, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore a simple drink you can make right at home that may help boost your metabolism and promote fat loss overnight. Let's get started. Why drink before bed? First, let's talk about why drinking something before bed can be beneficial. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode, burning calories and processing nutrients. Choosing the right drink can enhance this process and help target stubborn belly fat. Key ingredients. Now, let's dive into the key ingredients for our nighttime drink. We'll be using 3 powerful components: warm water, lemon, and apple cider vinegar. Warm water. Warm water is soothing for the digestive system and can help promote hydration. It also aids in the absorption of nutrients from the other ingredients. Lemon. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It supports digestion and can help reduce bloating. Plus, it adds a refreshing flavor. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been linked to weight loss by helping regulate blood sugar levels and suppressing appetite. Just remember, a little goes a long way. About 1 to 2 tablespoons is perfect. The recipe. Now that we have our ingredients, let's make the drink. Here's a simple recipe you can follow. Check these ingredients. 1 cup of warm water, juice of half a lemon, 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Optional, a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. Instructions. Start by boiling water and letting it cool slightly. In a glass, combine the lemon juice and apple cider vinegar. Pour in the warm water and stir well. Add honey if desired and mix until dissolved. Enjoy this drink about 30 minutes before bed for the best results. Additional benefits. Beyond fat loss, this drink offers several other benefits. Drinking warm water with lemon and apple cider vinegar can help improve digestion, detoxify the liver, and enhance skin health. It's also great for hydration, which is crucial for overall health and can help reduce cravings the next day. Tips for success. Here are a few tips to maximize your results. Wash it and stay consistent. Make this drink a part of your nightly routine for the best outcomes. 2. Combine with a healthy diet. Pair it with a balanced diet and regular exercise for optimal fat loss. 3. Limit late-night snacking. Try to avoid heavy meals or snacks close to bedtime to support your body's natural fat-burning processes. Let me share a quick story. One of our viewers, Sarah, decided to try this drink for a month. She incorporated it into her nightly routine, along with healthier eating habits. After just a few weeks, she noticed not only a reduction in her belly fat, but also improved digestion and energy levels. She felt great. And there you have it. A simple drink to help you burn belly fat while you sleep. Remember, consistency is key, and combining this drink with healthy habits can lead to amazing results. If you try this recipe, let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams.